Welcome guys! If you want to get iOS launcher on your CAT S52, in a few steps I'm going to show you how you can get it in a really easy way. But for the first I'm going to delete this launcher and back to the stock launcher, and here we are. Let's delete the last application. There's the control center. Click, hold, drag to uninstall. And right now we can move smoothly for the Play Store. Tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. We have to get the application from the Lutin developer, this one. Click, install. Right now just wait for this app. Click open. Tap all a few times, and when you click on the home screen you have to select the iOS launcher 13, select always, and as you can see right now we got our launcher. And if you want to get this control center from the iPhone, because when we open the notification bar we got the stock Android bar, you have to go back to the launcher and get this control center application from the Play Store. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!